Welcome to Make Money with Video Marketing Training Chapter 60. How to create a video with existing images using Morph Studio. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to create a video with existing images using Morph Studio. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to Morph Studio, log in with your account. In the Morph Studio dashboard, click Image to Studio to convert images to videos. Enter the fantasy image that was created previously to create a fantasy AI video. Click Upload to upload your image. The next step is to enter the image description, and what kind of video you expect. If it is correct, click the star icon to start creating your AI video. Wait a few moments, and your fantasy video has been successfully created. You can download your fantasy video by clicking the download button. That's how to create a video with existing images using Morph Studio. See you in the next tutorial.